Let's talk about something interesting. Do you know you can cook without being stressed out on Christmas Day, at your birthday, when you're hosting people or having a great party and you have to be the one doing the cooking? Come, let me show you how you can quickly start the preparation, and this will make it so easy for you and you will enjoy your day. What you can see on the screen is these I need for anything, for stew, for vegetable soup, for jollof rice, spaghetti jollof, geese dodo. I'm making them now, days or weeks before the festive day my own preparation have started. You can do the same and you will thank me later. What you can see on the screen, I have a carton of fresh tomatoes there, 6 kilograms of bell pepper, onions, a net of onions. I love lots of onions in my pepper. I have ginger there. This is good. If you don't like ginger, you can skip this, all right? And what I also have are garlics there. I'll start by washing them well. I'm going to start with the tomatoes first of all. I'll rinse it about 3 to 4 times and I'll add some vinegar into the water. If you don't have vinegar, you can use salt, all right? Just a bit of salt into it, allow it to sit in it for about 5 minutes, then rinse it for about 4 to 5 times. That's how I did it at Ashe as well. And then if we don't have a big blender where you live like me, this is how I prepare them. I have to cut it into the sizes that the blender can blend very well. Everything are going to be mixed together and blend very well except the ginger. Ginger will be blended separately at the last, and it has to be very well blended so that it will be smooth. This is what you're going to have when they are all well blended together. Now put it in a pot, turn on your heat, yes, and add a bit of vegetable oil on it, just a bit. This will help the tomatoes to boil without messing up your kitchen, because once it starts to boil, let me show you how it looks first of all. This is how it will look. It starts to foam, but the vegetable oil is going to help you to have this. It will start to boil normal. Once it starts to boil this way, turn down your heat and allow it to boil till it gets to your desired consistency, and then you allow it to cool down. Now you can freeze it in your freezing bags. Let it be in the freezer. If you're going to be needing it in 2 days time, you don't need to freeze it, so it makes it a lot easier for you. You can see the work you have done, the prep you have had, and you will enjoy the day like others.